Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. This is Manoj Dara. So on Monday, the cryptocurrency market was trading lower due to the ongoing worries about the global macroeconomic environment and due to the continued worries over the Federal Reserve's hawkish approach to lower inflation, which is actually hampering the buying sentiment. That's what the market participants are saying. So if we talk about the global crypto market cap, that fell by 1% to stand at $926 billion, while the total crypto market volume increased by 22.7% to $44.8 billion in the last 24 hours. So if you talk about the digital assets, that fell as the US dollar continued to exhibit strength. This is actually the big cause of concern. So ICC 15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading higher by 0.4% at 27,690 points. Bitcoin was trading at $19,162, up 0.2%. If you talk about the largest digital asset, which has actually had a poor September, but managed to buck the worst part of its exhibited correlation with the stock markets, outperform both the Dow Jones Industrial Average and the S&P 500, which is actually trading lower, which just notched a brutal month that was September. If we talk about the Nasdaq 100, futures fell 0.52%, while the futures tied up with S&P 500 lost 0.14%. Dow Jones Industrial Average rose by 0.07, flat to a bit positive. The latest personal consumption expenditure for the month of August showed an accelerated event in the inflation levels of the US. That's which is actually bothering the market participants. The core PCE, which is what does this mean? The core PCE, which excludes food and energy prices, rose by 0.6%. So the PCE is one of the most important gauges for the inflation levels in the US, which experts believe that the Federal Reserve prefers it over the CPI index numbers. So if you talk about the oil prices are also adding pressure to the global economy after the Organization of the Petroleum Exporting Countries decided to cut production to raise prices, due to which oil prices have jumped. So if this continues, inflation will continue to increase, and then the broader concerns will still remain in the market. If you talk about the Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was up by 0.1% and it was trading at $1,291. On my left, Binance BNB was trading higher by 2% at $285. Polygon Matic was trading higher by 0.6%, was trading at $0.76. Shiba Inu, the next token on the list, was trading up by 1%. Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading up by 0.8% at $0.060. Polkadot was next on the list, was trading higher by 0.5% at $6. Solana Sol was down by 0.2% at $32. Cardano's ADA token, next on the list, was trading lower by 0.3% at $0.42. Avalanche AVAX was trading at $16, lower by 0.4%. Ripple's XRP token was trading at $0.44, down by 2.5%. So in the past week or so, which went quite smoothly for Bitcoin, which spiked to $20,400 on Tuesday to mark a 12-day high before dropping sharply to $18,600 levels. However, it bounced off at that point and actually claimed $19,000 levels for the next several days, aside from one brief pump towards the $20,000 mark. The weekend was particularly calm with Bitcoin that stood close to $19,000. So going forward, Monday, which starts on a similar note, with BTC trading a few $100s above that line, which will be crucial as far as the events are concerned. So Ethereum price, which hovered around $1,280, could retest the 1,200 support levels soon. That's what the analysts are saying. So this barrier is crucial in determining whether Ethereum will go next. As far as Bitcoin trend is concerned with Ethereum, these are the two events which you have to keep it in mind, which we have highlighted the fundamental reasons as well. The breakdown to this level, it is plausible. It is actually a plausible scenario which could knock the smart contract token to $1,080. Analysts are expecting, which is another stable support as far the current trend is concerned. A bounce here combined with the bullish outlook on Bitcoin price could be the key to triggering a rally for Ethereum price to $1,730. Flipping this hurdle could open the path to revisiting the $2,000 psychological level. On the other hand, if Ethereum price breaks below $1,080, it will invalidate the bullish thesis and potentially crash Ethereum to retest the range which was actually at $878. So that's all there is in today's Coin Monitor. This is Manoj Dara signing off, but keep watching 3.0 TV for more such interesting updates. Thank you.